So we're starting with tops, technically. Okay, so we'll follow that order.
Well, you gotta get away from the camera.
Oh, it's a camera! Oh, yummy! You were vlogging the whole.
Yeah. So you just chose, like, you knew you wanted to clean out your room, so you found a book that was based off it, or you were already studying?
I did this when I lived in.
So you know
when I started folding my clothes like that, I got it from this lady. No, it's so good. It's just that I never finished the whole thing. So she has a thing to go through all your belongings. It's like clothes, books, papers, miscellaneous, like all your products. Yeah. And then sentimental. I only ever got to paper. And now we moved 5 times. So I don't know where all my stuff is. So I'm trying to get all my
even out of storage and stuff like that.
And figure out what I have and then do my organization.
So what is it supposed to help you with? Just like, I don't know, find clothes.
Knowing what you have and like kind of like appreciate what you have and what you don't have and helping you organize. But it's different because when you just go by room, you don't have everything in the same category. It's kind of harder to organize. So if you're like, oh, let me get all my clothes from every room, for all the drawers from everything, and then you can have them all out, you pick them, and then you can organize them better.
Yes, that makes sense. That makes sense. Or we could put it try-ons. Is that try-ons?
Yeah, okay. Guys, look at these leg warmers.
Oh, those are cute.
I haven't worn them, but I feel like
I think this winter is so cute. Open that up. Yo, winter is cute.
Oh my god, am I already at socks? I'm keeping this. I don't care.
Oh. I don't know if it's good right now. Is it on your ear?
I feel crazy now.
Why do you feel crazy?
You want to keep the
No, she feels dragged out. And she knows that she still has to re-go through and fold and hang. Oh yeah, don't think about that. Okay. Don't think about it too much. So like, careful.
Oh, you're on camera.
Oh, I keep forgetting.
Her eyes. Oh, perfectly without her trying.
She wanted to look like, I did it right now. They've been seeing it. Oh, I like those.
I don't think I read it.
Let me see. What does it say?
About you. I think that's why I would have looked like it's
yeah. Then she's trying to find those. Yeah, they said, well, there's no like weird crotch moment.
Oh.
Yeah. Are they comfortable? They're tiny, but like they look good.
I feel like they're like too tiny. This is weird.
In the back is a little bit more drawn up.
Oh, I think I'm not gonna keep it.
They're short.
It's not giving.
Yeah. Wait a minute. Well, actually might be good. Skinny jeans? A? I haven't seen her in some jeans in a minute.
I know. I don't wear jeans anymore.
You used to wear jeans all the time.
I know. He's like, I don't wear jeans. And here I am. These are good though. That yes pile is in the beginning.
That yes pile is actually scary. It seems like it's still growing.
It is!
Well, I guess it is.
Also, as we get to the end, it's like, oh my god.
Oh, as I'm looking at the dress.
You just kind of like throw everything away.
That's the squirt. Is that from dance too?
It is.
Yes.
This is like a going out.
Yeah, that's a going out for real.
Oh!
Oh, it did?
I like that.
That's a very cute set. Oh, that's very nice.
It's cute.
Oh, I thought it was more like hee-hee, but it's actually very nice.
I feel like I'm not gonna keep this. It's not giving me what I want it to give.
Yeah, I feel like it's a little bit, well, I mean, yeah. I feel like it's a little too high-waisted for you to wear crop.
Yeah.
But if you were to put just a regular shirt on it, then it could be fun. Oh, those are nice.
They're cute, actually.
I like that.
I might give these to my mom.
But this is a no, bro.
No. How we feel? Oh, we doing interviews? Yep.
I feel great. I feel accomplished.
I feel insane.
Oh yeah, me too.
But this is the keep. It looks crazy. Also this. But these are coats though. This is all the nose. These are the gig to the girls.
Yeah.
So I'm taking a break. Surprised and happy at how much I got done today. Went through the whole clothes section, which is like clothes, accessories, bags, and shoes. This is my keep pile. As you can see, I have a lot to put away. Don't know how much I'll get through tonight. This is where I'm at right now. Got some shoes here and got some things. Shoes, accessories in here. Which actually I didn't really go through the jewelry. Maybe I'll make that another day's issue. But yeah, so this is what my room's looking like. It's definitely giving something. But I've done this process with my clothes like 3 times before this, so I don't know. It looks like a lot of clothes, but maybe it won't feel like it. I just want them to all like have a place to go, and I think they will. This is my no bag and the shoes I'm not keeping. It's a new day. I realized I had more shoes, so I had to go through those. Now these are all the shoes I'm not keeping, and I've just been sorting this huge pile into like type of clothing. So I tried to get all the bottoms that I saw and get them out and try to separate things that still need to hang. But as you can see, I'm not done. So it's actually the next day, but we're gonna finish this today.